Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your guy Olamide Banks. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I traded this week, my losses of course and my profits. So in this week I will show you the what I see before taking a trade, what I learned in this week, and what I was actually aiming to get this week. Follow me through to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, to subscribe. At the same time you can also share to your friends. Alright guys, so I started the week on a drawdown. I was on I was trading a competition account with Racewing. I hope you know Racewing. Racewing is one of the Jeffrey Benson's boys, and you know me too, I like Jeffrey Benson now, so everything works together for good. Alright, so I was actually in a competition, and at the beginning of this week I was in drawdown. Okay, I haven't gotten a trade. I think the account was still up. The account was up, yes. The account was up $10,000. It was up. Then I was just trying to learn something through gold. So I'm going to show you my screen. So I was trying to learn some things on gold, and I am trying to also balance my strategy. You know, I'm trying to, when you know your strategy, make sure that you know everything, the potential of that strategy. So I was trying to see how this strategy works on gold. Let me show you. Look at my screen now. Let me show you. So at the beginning of this week, which was on Monday, this was Monday. All right, my first trade was here. It was a loss. Why was it a loss? Now I will actually show you my record, my journal, because I journal my trades. Okay, so I discovered that was it on last week? Yes, last week. I was trying to trade and I didn't see what's it called? I didn't see an opportunity in the market. And somehow I had a voice telling me to go to 5 minutes time. I'm like, okay, let's go. I know this voice. And I got 5 minutes time frame. I was trying to check something out, how my strategy works, and before you know, I didn't get a trade on that day. Then second day I was telling God, I said, God, why didn't I have a trade? I said, people are already trading this what's it called now? This competition. Some people are already in profit. And God told me that He gave me a trade yesterday that I didn't see it. That's why He told me to go to 5 minutes time frame. And when I heard that voice, it doesn't lie. So I had to go back to that 5 minutes time frame. I began to shake. This God actually gave me an entry yesterday. How come I didn't get the entry? Then I realized that there was something He was trying to point my attention to, a particular strategy. Let me show you now. It works a lot. Then I now begin to go online to do more research on it. Even when God speaks to you, you still have to be hardworking. You still have to put it into work, back test. So I went online, I researched Samuel Toshi, Abby, Jeffrey Benson, people that I know that they trade gold, King Souls. I begin to research them. Swing, I researched how do these people actually trade this particular gold. Then I saw that even my ABC strategy works. A, B, and C. It works. This will be a strong low, and price breaking the structure to the upside, coming back, then price. Now let me show you on the chart now how it has been throughout the week. This is a new thing I'm trying to test out. So, and it's working. So by God's ways, if I stay disciplined and stay consistent with this, there's going to be a lot coming from it by God's ways. I trust God for help. Alright, so now this was my first trade. I actually, this particular trade was like an ABC pattern. It was a mistake made on it. Alright, so price came break structure, then come back. Then come back to this zone. There was an external liquidity and inducement. Price reacted to it, then price came back to break it. Then at this point, price already mitigated this zone. And worked with it. So at that point, I was like, I was not really involved in the market. I was like, let's just wait and see. Then price came back up. Then came to my zone here, which I marked, and I was actually seeing this. Okay, this might work. I'm just trying to test something out. So let's see. Like this might be A. This is like A, price coming back to mitigate it. A. This is like price coming back to mitigate this one. Come back to break structure. Then price is now coming back to this place to feel this imbalance. Then start going up. But unfortunately, it didn't work. It didn't work. That's forex market for you. It didn't work. Then price went ahead and break structure. And I marked here, hoping that probably price will push back to it. Then I can join the buy. You understand? But it didn't push back. It didn't give me anything around it. So price keep on going. Then if you check here now, there's something I want to start showing you now. Then you check here now, price got here, pull back. Then when it got here to this point before breaking the structure, it reacted, right? Reacted. That was like a flip zone. Price reacted here, then broke structure to the upside. Now, this is what I learned. When price comes back to this point here, is going to react to it. See price come back and react to it. I was like, wow. I kept on following it. Then price actually came here, give us a reaction, though I didn't know where that reaction is coming from. Then price go ahead and continue. So now I kept on observing. Now at this point, now I learned another thing here. I took this was my second trade. I learned another thing here. The price went up. Then when price was about to break the structure, price reacted, but price already broke the structure before reacting. Then price reacted and went up. I was thinking that okay, maybe I can actually try this out since I'm still learning this particular thing. Then price actually came down, tap into it, give me a little bit of profit. I was in profit. I was like, okay, this is going well. Then price came down, swept me out, and used this zone and bought. I was like, okay, I left it. I thought, okay, it's market, let's go. Then now let's go. This was the next trade. Now this is the third trade. This is the third trade now. And now this third trade, it was like an ABC strategy. You get, like an ABC strategy. And if you go to 1 minute to be more clear, then price was going up, then price came back, then give me another reconstruction to the upside. Then price came back, swept this and come down here. Now, looking at this now, price actually almost hit my TP here, right? And came back to tap into to take my stop loss, and I didn't break even. That was how I lost that trade also. Now, all these trade, 1, 2, 3, I didn't take them. I was like, okay, since I'm still learning this thing, let me calm down and record this thing and know the structure. Let me not just rush into trades and conclusions. Then I saw that when price was breaking this structure down here, price reacted. Alright, so price reacted here on this zone before breaking it. This was the reaction. Then price came down. Then I marked that reaction. Then price broke this particular place before getting here. Then price came up, tap into the zone. This one that I marked around here. Then straight to my TP. I'm like, okay, let's test it. Then when price was also breaking this particular structure down here, make another reaction, broke the structure. Then when price came back to that reaction, marked it straight to my TP. I'm like, wow, this thing is working. It's working. Then now, let's see now. Okay, then this was like if you check it, we're on an uptrend, and price was actually changing trend now to the downtrend. Then demand are getting weak. They are breaking demands, and sellers are getting the opportunity to win in the market. Now I marked this particular zone because it's a valid zone. It's a strong low, but at the same time the sellers are winning now. So but price will actually react to it. It's something they call a previous valid base and previous valid liquidity. Price respect them, even if they're not going to be a long move, it will give you some move. So price came here, give me 1-3, then break the structure to the downside. Now let's continue. Now same thing happened there. Then now this was it. I took this particular trade. Then this was like an ABC strategy. Price came back, swept this liquidity, make this a strong high. Then price swept this liquidity, came down, break the structure, gave me a small reversal. That was like my B, came down. This is my C pull back, tap into this one and give me my profit. Then now look at this. That's the first strategy. The second one now is when price was about to break the structure, price reacted, right? Reacted on it, then broke the structure. Now when price came back to that reaction, sold. You see that it's working. So guys, then that day was gone. And this was the yesterday. This is Thursday. So yesterday, when I took these 2 trades, I was already out of drawdown. That's why risk management is good. I was about 3% drawdown. Then this 2 trade gave me 6%. Then I was up 300%. Sorry, 3% rather. I was up 3% on the account. I was like, okay, let's go. It's going. I was like, okay, it's going. Then I at this point yesterday I was confused. We went for CDS yesterday, so I would have actually gotten in on a trade. This would have been my first trade yesterday. This particular point here would have been my first trade yesterday. But we went very early for CDS. We went for sanitation yesterday. Yesterday was for sanitation, so we cleaned the market square. So I don't. So price came here. I was not available. Then the price went to my TP. Pam, give me a good entry. Then now I didn't get that trade. I would have passed my account yesterday if I was able to get this trade. I would have passed the account and be hope for that challenge. Be part of the 3 winners. Then now price. I was waiting for another entry. I was confused at this point. I was like, okay, maybe price will get here. I made a mistake around here yesterday, and I recorded it on my journal. Then I took this trade. Price hit me out and went to my direction. This was like an ABC strategy. And at this point, what actually gave me this loss was me not being able to understand the direction of the market. Went to a higher time frame. I was like, okay, what's market going to do? At this point, what I was supposed to do is wait for market to react before I do anything. I would have waited for market to either break this one out, then react towards it, or wait for market to come down, break this one, then react towards it. That was what I was supposed to do yesterday. And if I have done that, I wouldn't have taken this lot. So when market broke this one, I was coming back. This was my strategy. Then I marked this one out. I took this trade. I was up to almost 1:2 before price came back. It might break even. Then took me out. This trade was a break even trade. So yesterday went well. Then today, this very day, Friday. So my strategy works, guys. Then price was coming down, reacted to this particular zone, then break it. This is what I was supposed to do yesterday. Break it. Then I marked this point. The price came up. I missed the entry, guys. I missed it, oh guy. I missed it. This trade I was willing to risk 2% on this trade, being the last day of the competition. I was willing to risk 2%, but I missed the trade. Missed it. Should have given me my TP straight. I missed the trade. Then price came down. Then now price broke this structure, and this part is like an ABC strategy now. Price broke the structure here, reacted to it. This is my B, an inducement, and price came down. You know why I couldn't take this particular trade? Price broke the structure before reacting. So I can't take it. So that's why you have to know your do and don't in trading. Don't just jump up and down into any trade that you see, because it resembles your structure. The market is an unstructured environment. Then price came, reacted to it, then price come back up. I'm waiting for price to come back up so that I can join the trade here. If it doesn't come back up, then no trade for me today, guys. That will be till next week again. Alright guys, so these are my experience this week. Alright guys, so this is my experience this week. If you learned something from this video, please don't forget, don't just do me a favor, like and subscribe. That's all. So that was how everything went. I've come to understand one thing in the market. This is a tip for you if you are still watching this video till now. I've come to understand something in the market. The market is an unstructured environment. So if you are coming to this unstructured environment, it gives you an unlimited opportunity to win and to lose. So if you're coming to this unstructured environment, you have to be ready to come in with your own structured self. That's where self-discipline comes in. So when you have a structure that you're looking for in the market, that means out of the whole unlimited opportunity, you're just looking for your own opportunity. So once you see your opportunity, you learn to master it. You only react to it. Any other thing that is not your opportunity, you don't react to it. That's how you stay safe in this environment. This environment is not built for a normal person. It's built for somebody it's not built for the way they train us in society. It's built for somebody who has taken his time to reshape his emotions and reactions to the environment. This environment is actually a different environment entirely. So that's a very good tip a tip that I think will benefit everyone that watched this video till the end. Alright, thank you for watching the video. I appreciate you. I remain your boy Olamide Banks, Jesus lover. Thank you. Bye.